Hi Dr. Staphylococcus. My name is Nurse Arias. How are you today?
Good morning, Nurse Arias. I am fine, thank you. You wanted to speak with me?
Yes, I did. I am quite upset because what I want to talk to you about keeps happening frequently on our unit and is very frustrating. I am sure this is a common occurrence on other units as well.
And what might that be, Nurse Arias?
You are the attending doctor for Mr. Piegani, and he is just one example out of many. He was admitted 4 days ago with pneumonia. He also has a wound on his right foot that was never cultured until 2 days ago. As you know, I received a critical report today from Micro. The source of infection in his wound is MRSA. Prior to this, he was not isolated. This whole time Piegani has been exposing us to his MRSA infection. This happens more than you think on this unit, and I cannot imagine how many times it happens elsewhere in our hospital as well as others. The point is, we are putting everybody at risk when we admit a patient with an open wound and not putting them on rule-out isolation. Not to mention the fact that it took 2 days for a wound culture to be ordered and sent. Why do we even need to call the doctor to order a darn wound culture if there is an open wound? That is not the case in the ICU. So why can't that protocol apply to us med-surg nurses as well? I hope you can understand my frustration.
I can see where you are coming from, but these are your hospital's policies and procedures. I am just a doctor here. I cannot help that this happened. If it were up to me, I would rather not receive a pointless phone call from nurses asking to obtain a wound culture. I would rather them just use their judgment and obtain one on their own. What I say is, if it is open and draining, culture it. This issue is above me and needs to be brought to the medical director's attention. Now let's get to the bottom of this. Is there anything critical going on with this patient?
No.
Are they in any acute distress?
No.
Okay. Is there anything you need for this patient?
No. But it is doctors like you that help make a difference in changing policies and procedures. So, next time, when I get a call from Micro saying my patient has MRSA and you are the doctor on call and eating dinner with your family and do not want to be interrupted, I will remember to purposely call you when I need a pointless order for getting a wound culture and placing the patient on isolation precautions. Glad we talked. Have a great day.